To make you job ready for the Power BI interview, I have got 3 steps that will have the clear goals and the practical plan to follow for the next 90 days, and that will help you clear any Power BI interview. Also, at the end of the video, I have a small surprise that will help you to get started with this process. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. So what are those 3 steps that I have been talking about? Step 1, you need to create 10 real world projects using Power BI. Step 2, you need to complete 90 Power BI challenges using Workout Wednesday portal. Step 3, you need to learn 90 Power BI interview questions using ChatGPT. And most importantly, you need to track your progress every single week until you follow these 3 steps for the next 90 days. Let us talk about the step 1, creating 10 real world projects using Power BI. Now the first thing that you have to keep in mind while creating these 10 Power BI projects is that you should not follow any particular YouTuber or any tutorial video while creating these projects. You will have the complete responsibility to create these projects right from the scratch till the very end until you create the dashboard and share the business insight. But why is it that I am requesting you to not follow anyone else and create these projects on your own? Because when you create these projects on your own, in this process, you will learn DAX, you will learn data cleaning, you will learn SQL, you will develop the ability to build data models in Power BI, you will be able to create dashboards on your own, and you will be able to share business insights based on the data shared. Most importantly, this will make you think, what is it that exactly business owners need? You need to understand that even if the dashboards that you create may not be the best one, the business insights that you share may not be the best ones, but most importantly, you are the sole owner of these dashboards, and that will give you immense confidence that is required to clear these interviews. I have just one more request while creating these 10 projects is that please ensure that you use the real world data that will have at least thousands of rows so that you will be able to simulate the experience how things works in the real projects. Now let us talk about the 90 Power BI challenges using Workout Wednesday. Workout Wednesday is a portal which has got multiple challenges right from the beginner level to the advanced level, and depending upon your proficiency in Power BI, you can take on challenges every single day. One challenge you need to complete. As you complete these challenges on a daily basis, this will help you to build the core competency that is required for the Power BI interview questions. If you complete one challenge per day, that is 90 challenges for 90 days, then that will give you a lot of confidence and it will reflect in the response to the interview questions. And step 3 is that 90 Power BI interview questions using ChatGPT. So what is it that most of us do while traveling? We simply watch some stupid reel or waste our time in some or the other way. What if I tell you that you can make use of this time in a better way and prepare for the Power BI interview? But how do we exactly make use of ChatGPT for learning these interview questions? For example, let's just say that you want to learn what is the difference between the star schema and the snowflake schema. So what will you do is you will simply ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, please tell me what is the difference between the star schema and the snowflake schema in the simple way. In the response, ChatGPT will tell you that normalized data structures are suitable for snowflake schema, whereas denormalized data structures are more suitable for star schema. Now after you get this response, you have got multiple questions in your mind which you are still not clear of. So you can ask ChatGPT that what exactly is normalized and denormalized data structures, and ask ChatGPT to explain the same in a simple way. You can keep doing this process until you get complete clarity on that particular interview question. It will take hardly few minutes, but most importantly, you are able to prepare for one interview questions in a day, that too while traveling. Otherwise, you would have wasted that time. Now let us talk about the most important part, that is how do we keep track of these 90 days challenge. So what I'll do is exactly after a week, I will share one community post and request all of you to share the current status of your progress on this 90-day challenge. In the response, you are supposed to answer 3 questions: how many Power BI challenges you did, how many interview questions did you prepare, and how much real world project have you completed. Let's just say that you are working on the project 1 out of the 10 projects, then for that, have you completed that first project entirely? If not, what percentage of project you have completed? Also, after completion, I will ask you to share the project that you have created, and the best project I will share with everyone, so that everyone can go through that project and learn things, or even provide suggestions. As I said at the end of the video, I want to share with you a small surprise that will help you get started, and that is I will be share with you a data set that will help you get started with your first Power BI project. You can check the description of this video to access the dataset and get started with your first Power BI project. My name is Shrikant and I thank you so much for watching this video till the very end.